Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how I made a game in just 3 days. This game was made for Space Core Jam, who has partnered with Loot Locker to make leaderboard system for any game engines available. And the theme for the game jam is collect. So let's start making. As you know, game jams have very limited amount of time, so I need to think faster. After scratching my head for a long time, I got an idea. My idea is to make an endless game where player needs to collect coins and avoid obstacles as it suits the theme. For this project, I am going to use Godot as it is free and open source, and it's going to be interesting for this game jam. Day 1. As this is my first time using Godot, I went to YouTube to check out some tutorials. I found out GD Quiz channel, who has a better explanation about Godot. So, day 1 ends by learning Godot. Day 2. Before starting the project, I need to plan everything I should make, like enemies, player, weapons, obstacle, collectibles, leaderboard, how the game looks, how the game feels. So it's mandatory to write the game before making the game. This segment of game is called as game design. For this pre-production process, I prefer a tool called as Milanote. Milanote is a tool which helps me to be creative and organized, and which will help to complete my project as soon as possible. Link is in the description. So let's start by making a player. This Snow Bro is our player. After putting my small brain into heavy task by programming the player, finally the player now can move left and right. After setting up the movement for the player, now it's time to create spawner for spawning coins and obstacles. Again, after banging my head for 3 hours straight, I got the spawner script. Now the spawner is also done. Now finally it's time to make the enemy. It's time to program the enemy. It took more time than the spawner, as I have no experience with Godot. This is my first time. After banging my head straight for 4 hours again, finally the enemy is also completed. It's time to set up the scene. Day 3. As this is the final day, I have to quickly make the main menu, UI, and add some music to it. So let's hurry up. After the quick implementation of everything, I started searching for sounds. As I browsed through the web, I got an amazing artist whose track was best, so I added it to the game. You can check that artist name in the pinned comment. After finally wasting my weekend, I created that game. You can check that game in the link given below. Hope you guys liked this video, and sorry for the mic disturbance. Actually, I was recording from my old mic, so I could not give the best audio quality. Hope it's good in further videos. Thank you.